So, hi everyone, this is Madina Maidin here. This video is going to be another product review. Now I bought this hot plate at Shine Online, shine.com. So, and I think this is a good buy. I bought this to prepare food offerings for the gods and planets. So I thought I'll do a review of this and show everyone this hot plate that I bought, right? So it seems like, I think it is a good buy. So let's look at what is available in the box. So this is, I think it is the stand for the hot plate, right? This, I think it goes under. There are four of them here. Let's look at this. Is I think it's the manual, right? Let me just show this manual to everyone. Well, it's in different languages. I think it's pretty much easy hot plate to use. So, and what is this? This is, I think this is the, okay, this is the product warranty card, right? So I'm going to leave this inside. And I'm going to leave this manual inside. And also stands go inside. Now let's bring out the this is a 220 volt hot plate. So yeah, it's the UK version of it, or the European version of it. You have a small label here. So yeah, and it looks beautiful. I mean, I just love the color, right? There is a mark here, right? I don't think you guys can see because it's just a small mark, and apparently there are 5 levels of heating. So, well, this is the off button, and then it goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 levels of heating, and it looks beautiful. So I'm going to cook offerings in this, right? And I'm going to show, hopefully I'll put up upload some cooking videos, cooking the offerings, right? When I cook offerings, we call that prasadam, naivedyam, nivedanam, I will try to make videos of them and post it, right, for everyone to see. Because feeding gods is very important. Yes, it is a technology, right? And it's very important. To get what you want, you got to feed gods, and you got to do a good job in there, right? You got to give them the best you can give, so you'll get the best in return, right? What you give is what you get. So you want favor from the gods, the planets, you got to do your part first. Okay, so That's all, guys. Thanks for watching, and hope to speak to you soon. Bye.